So, welcome again to G2 Bullet, a new watch video again. I just recently had a ride to Kolli Hills. I'll upload that video soon. The 70 hairpin bends it has. So amazing. I got there with my interceptor Maruti 650, and before going there, I stumbled upon a watch, same Crown and Quartz. He was selling it. He just dropped the message, and as soon as I saw it, I instantly asked him to send that to me because I was going to Kolli Hills for the weekend ride, and it was unplanned. He just dropped that before I to leave for the ride, and the one day before I purchased it, and it signifies a very important role in history. The watch is named after not a man but a horse, and today I have a beautiful HMT Chetak watch, that too in the golden dial. Epic connections, epic watch I have got, and I find myself very lucky. Again, thanks to Crown and Quartz for providing me such a lovely watch. And sorry for that, I'll share you entire story. I'll show you the close-up video and the manufacturing details of this watch as well. So actually it is incomplete. The HMT Chetak should always have an HMT Pratap with it, but let's see. I'll wait for HMT Pratap. I have asked him to get one for me. And about the Tariq, I gave the open challenge to him, Crown and Quartz. Fun challenge, not necessary, but he's on it. He's looking for a HMT Tariq for me. But after getting this HMT Chetak, I completely lost in everything for Tariq, and I am eagerly waiting for HMT Pratap, because see, I love the watch, no issue, the Tariq, but the Tariq case is very much similar to that of the HMT Maurya, and I am really happy to have it. My first watch, first mechanical watch, which I purchased. And chalo, let's not waste much time. I'll straight go with the HMT Chetak. I'll share every details with you, and my ride also. I went to Rajasthan back in 2023. I was there for 1 year, and while being there, I got a chance to go to Udaipur and visit the Udaipur Palace, Haldighati, then Nathdwara Mandir. So I have visited all the places, and by getting the HMT Chetak, I just can't express you my feelings right now. And yeah, let's connect the dot now. I'll show you the close up. So this is the watch box which I got. Must have all seen it in earlier videos. Don't forget to use silica gels. I'm telling you guys again, it prevents the moisture. And this is the beautiful Tariq which I bought recently. You guys saw the video. HMT Kohinoor maroon dial with jubilee strap, HMT Kohinoor pink dial with jubilee strap, and the HMT Kohinoor black, my daily wear, with jubilee strap. And this is the lovely Chetak I was talking about. See, amazing. Chalo, let's talk about this watch. Thanks to Crown and Quartz for this watch. He gave me the best price he had. And first, let's talk about the watch details, then about the history. I don't want to make this video much longer. Chalo. So this has this beautiful HMT Chetak dial and the color, golden color. They say it as linen. You can see the textures below the sunlight or any light. See? So this houses a 0231-A movement. So this was actually a refined version. They call it something tractor movement for this. So because it was unbeatable, you wear it, it will never give up on you. So they developed the 0231-A. The 0231 was the first movement by HMT, and then they refined it. So see, it is a fingerprint magnet. So good condition it is. The strap you can see, and then the loom. Interestingly, this version didn't had the numbers or just a plain dial with HMT Chetak, and I'm really happy to have this golden watch because of this color. It truly represents the turmeric color colored soil, the Udaipur soil, the Haldighati soil, and I'll add that picture as well here. The soil is kept at Udaipur Palace, and even we visited the Haldighati. I will add few pictures. So moving ahead, let's remove this. So I have removed this. This is how the watch looks. Amazing. So the numbers you can see 05, then this batch number, and 21. So the 05 was the third factory of HMT, located at Pinjore, Haryana, and the 13 number is the batch number, and the 21 is actually 2011. So this makes it around 15 years old watch. It's not about the age, but the manufacturing year is 2011. So Parashock, you see the, let's connect this to history now. The Parashock, they said no, the horses and especially the Chetak, even they had so much strong legs to run around the Aravali hills. So as this had the Parashock to keep the movement safe. So about the history, HMT Pratap and HMT Chetak, they are always one should have always this both watch together, not a single watch. So I'll be waiting for this HMT Pratap. Again, thanks to Crown and Courts, bro. I'm waiting to have a HMT Pratap. So soon you get it one for me. Thank you. So okay, the story goes like this way. You all must be knowing the Haldighati war happened, and it was a purely a war of self-respect and freedom. So it was the war happened in somewhere around 15 something. So the war was, the result never came out. It was no one lost or no one won in that war, so no outcome, because Maharana Pratap ji, being in so less numbers, fought with the Akbar's army, and he overpowered it using the guerrilla technique, guerrilla warfare, and he waited the army to come till the Haldighati, and then he attacked on them. So he started the war at that time. So I'll add all the photos around of my visit. So technically speaking, this watch in this shade is epic, and one could never get more from this watch. It's the ultimate beast, and the history, I have personally visited it, so I instantly got something for this watch, and I just bought it, and I'm really waiting for the HMT Pratap. So so this HMT Chetak is all about freedom, self respect, and no one talks much about this, but Chetak horse died keeping safe his king. So to have a Maharana Pratap watch, HMT Pratap, and a HMT Chetak side by side is like having a king and a soldier together, and they both together were immortal, powerful than anything. The freedom of the war of freedom they fought, it was amazing, and the history behind it is what makes this special. And the Maharana Pratap, I am waiting. Let's see. But I am happy to have this watch. Lovely, lovely moment. And the details I told you about the manufacturing as well. It is a 2011 watch manufactured at Haryana Pinjore factory, and yeah, thus making it a 15 years old watch. And you can see my watch box is now again almost full. Just one watch here. I wish it will be the HMT Pratap along with HMT Chetak. The HMT Braille and HMT Maurya, I have kept it in my home, Kolhapur home. So yeah, amazing. Oh, I forgot to show you by wearing it. Wait. So this is how it looks while wearing. The strap is bit loose. I didn't get any time to uh, adjust it. I'll do that if maybe soon again at Karan Watch Company. That time I can do this. So thank you so much. This is the HMT lineup here. These are all cords, HMT Tariq cords, HMT Kohinoor, black, pink, maroon, all HQ cords. And this is the ultimate HMT Chetak. Lovely, lovely. I'm really happy to have such watches in my collection. And yeah, one more interesting thing about the Kolli Hills. I went to Kolli Hills after next day when I purchased this watch, and I was riding my Interceptor. And you guys must have known that I'll ride so to many temples, places every now and then on my with my Interceptor. Mostly I post this details on Instagram, Shubha26. But Maruti, I'm not comparing anything here. Just as the horse, the Chetak horse, saved his master in the war and gave his life, and entire life he dedicated to his master, the king Maharana Pratap. So that was something very special for me, ki I'm going on my bike ride. But I had a thought to wear this watch, but I knew there will be too much heat, sweat, so I didn't wanted to means make the watch dirty. So that's why I didn't went it wearing on a ride, but I just bought it the day before I went to ride. Yeah, so I bought this somewhere around on Friday, and I was on the ride at Saturday afternoon to Kohli Hills. Chalo, waiting for HMT Pratap. Bye bye.